From humble street food to royal feasts, the journey of your favorite meals is more incredible than you know. This is the history of the dish.
India coconut curry. Coconut curry is a beloved dish in Indian cuisine, known for its rich, creamy texture and aromatic blend of spices. Its origins are deeply tied to India's coastal regions, where coconuts are abundant, and its evolution reflects centuries of trade, cultural exchange, and regional culinary traditions. The coconut palm, Cocos nucifera, has been cultivated in India for over 3,000 years, particularly in the southern and western coastal regions such as Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, and Maharashtra. Ancient Indian texts, including the Atharva Veda, 1500–1000 BCE, mention the coconut as a sacred and nourishing fruit. Early Indian cooking used coconut in various forms, grated, milk, or oil to enhance flavor and texture. However, the concept of curry, from the Tamil word kari, meaning sauce or relish, evolved over time with influences from different cultures. During the medieval period, 6th–16th centuries, India's spice trade with Arab, Persian, and later European merchants introduced new ingredients and techniques. The use of coconut milk in curries became more refined, particularly in Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The Chera and Chola dynasties fostered a cuisine rich in coconut-based dishes like theyal, a roasted coconut curry, and meen moili, a mild fish curry with coconut milk. Goa and Karnataka. Portuguese traders, 16th century, brought chilies, vinegar, and new cooking styles, leading to dishes like zakuti, a Goan coconut-spiced curry. The British colonial period, 18th–20th centuries, saw Indian curries, including coconut-based ones, gaining global recognition. The term curry was popularized abroad, though in India, regional names like korma, avial, and kutu remain distinct. Today, Indian coconut curry varies by region. South India. Kerala-style curries use coconut milk with mustard seeds, curry leaves, and tamarind. Northeast India. Assamese and Bengali cuisines incorporate coconut in fish and lentil curries. Maharashtra and Goa. Malvani and Goan curries blend coconut with fiery red chilies and kokum. In the 20th and 21st centuries, Indian diaspora communities and global food trends have made coconut curry a worldwide favorite, appearing in Thai, Caribbean, and fusion cuisines while retaining its Indian roots. Indian coconut curry is a testament to the country's rich agricultural heritage and cultural exchanges. From ancient Vedic times to modern kitchens, it remains a symbol of India's diverse and flavorful culinary tradition.
The recipes for all of our dishes are linked in the description below. Like, subscribe, and click on the next video.